Hey guys, welcome to KBK channel. Today I'll show you how to make Butter Murukku or Benne Murukku. It's one of the best tea time snack that can be prepared in no time with the less ingredients which are easily available at home. So without making any further delay, let's get started. Before that, let's quickly note down the ingredients. 1 cup of rice flour, and this is the main ingredient for this recipe. 1/4 cup of besan or gram flour. Around 3 tablespoons butter. 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, oil for deep frying, salt as per taste, a pinch of hing or asafoetida. Let's see the preparation. In a bowl, add rice flour, besan or gram flour, sesame seeds, cumin seeds, a pinch of hing or asafoetida. Now goes in butter, salt to taste. Now mix this until the butter is incorporated well. Now we need to make a dough using water. Do not add in all the water at the same time. You may split it into 2 or 3 parts. Our dough is done and ready. Heat oil in a pan for deep frying. Divide the dough into 2 portions and transfer it into murukku mold. Now press the murukkus straight into the oil and fry them for 1 minute or till they are crisp and golden brown. Now this is done. Let's transfer these on an absorbing tissue paper and continue frying the rest. Our crunchy Benne Murukku or Butter Murukku is done and ready. Enjoy this with a cup of tea. I hope you like this recipe. Please do like, comment and share my videos with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for latest recipes. Thank you.